Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm going to continue our lesson on database. Okay, for last 2 weeks, past 2 weeks, we have learned about what is database, and we learned how to create. We learned the difference between data and information. We also have learned the difference. We learned about the difference of data and information. We learned that. How to create table, important component for you in order to create a database. Okay, what do you need? Can you tell me, can someone please tell me what do, if you are, the component of table in database? We have field. What else? Record, yes.
Yes, okay. And then um dates? No.
Okay,
No,
what
not
are the
dates.
things? What is the important thing? One unique thing to define you. What is that called?
ID? I don't know.
Hmm?
The ID of something?
The
Yes,
primary
it's
ID,
called
primary
primary
information,
key.
something.
Okay, primary key. Yes.
Yes, I
So
knew it.
I'm going to show you now today how to create the database. Okay, in the database are using Access. Okay, the idea of creating database. Okay, let me just tell you. Okay, this is my own logical when I was learning. When I was learning, and I have this thing, okay, I realized that when I use Word document, when I use PowerPoint, when I use Excel, okay, I can always save at the end. Okay, I can always save my files at the end. Okay, but when I did with database, I cannot do that. Okay, I have to create the database first, give name to the database, give name to the tables, then only I can put the data inside the database. Okay, why? Because in order for you to put the things in, you have to have a place to put the thing in first. Okay, let's say if you are keeping your shirt, okay, you are traveling, you keeping your shirt in a bag, okay, you have to have the bag first, then only you can keep your shirt inside the bag, isn't it? So the ideas are the same, okay, the ideas are the same. You have to create a database first, then only you can keep the data inside the database. So it's like that, okay? So let us see, I'm going to show you how to create database. We are going to use Access, okay? We are going to use Access. I did ask your parents, if you see the record that I make, the video that I make, you know, what are the things needed and all. And you are given 2 weeks already for you to prepare yourself. So please don't tell me, teacher, I don't have this and I don't have that, okay? Because I cannot do much about that if you don't have this or your computer are not repaired and all that. Okay, that one is for you to discuss with your parents, okay? So I'm going to show you how to, okay, can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, so this is, if you can see here, Microsoft Access, okay? This is the icon for Access. If you can see, this is Excel, this is PowerPoint, we have Word, okay? This is for Access, okay? So you click this once, okay? In your computer, click this, and then, oh, okay. And then you can see a window will pop out, okay? A window will pop out. So what are we creating now? What are we creating now? Okay, what are we creating now? We are creating a blank database. We are creating a blank database. So click on blank database, okay? Ayoi. So when I click, okay, I have, okay, one database here. Sorry, again. access. Okay. Okay, now we have a database here. Okay, now it's database 2. Doesn't matter about that. I mean, just leave it. So what you need to do here, what you need to pay attention is now you have a database. So what you need to create now is a table, okay? You need a table so that you can keep your information inside there, okay? This is very important. What I need you to see is there are two types of view, okay? First, you create a database. Now we go for table, okay? There are two types of view that you can use in order to view your table, okay? Usually, if you are creating a table, okay, what you see here is datasheet view, okay? Now, in order for you to create a table, go to design view, okay? When you go to design view, you have to give a name. You have to create the table first, okay? Let's try this. Student. Usually, this is how they create, yeah, usually. So now my table name is student table. Here, I will keep records of my students. So when you create yes or whatsoever, I mean save, you can see this this thing. I would say this thing. Okay, this you can see this come out. Okay, okay. So this is our table in design. Okay, design view. We are trying to design the table first. Okay. So remember, I asked you. I did tell you that before you create a table, you have to design on paper first, okay? To see what are the fields that you need, okay? Say I'm creating a database about you, okay? My students in my class. Okay, Afif, I don't know about the link and all. Yes, paid. That one is Office 365, or you can just go to the shop. Okay. So what you did, when you have your field, you have determined the field that you need. Imagine that you are at my place and you want to create a table on students. Okay, what are the information that you need? Can you tell me? Okay, someone said to me ID, age, name, what else? Address. Can someone tell me? Come on.
Phone number?
Phone number. Okay, so now we have ID, or you can change the name to student ID. Okay, so this is the first field that I want. Okay, student ID. Then comes name. And then come what? Address? No, grade or class. Which class are you in? 8F, 8G, 8R. Address. Phone number. Okay, I want to stop there first. Okay, so these are the field that I need. Okay, these are the field that I need. Let's put age here, just to show you the different type of data type. Okay, you see here when you are creating a table, we have field name and we have data type. Okay, so student ID usually is auto number, and you see the key here. We'll come to the key later. Okay, we will come to the key later. So we have name. What are the data type for name? Usually text. Class also text. Let us see the types of data that we have. We have text, we have memo, number, date, currency, Boolean, all these things, okay? So address, text. Why text? Because if you look at here, field size of text is 255. Okay, who knows that you might have name like those people, you know, the long name. Some people have, okay. So that's why. Address also text, class is text, or there's short text if I'm not mistaken. Is there any short text? Wait, where is it? It's okay, just text, okay? And then phone
Teacher,
number. Sorry?
are you using Microsoft Access or Office?
Access, baby, access.
Oh,
Microsoft Office Access. Okay? There, you see? What is phone number? Phone number are the same, okay? Phone number, I'll put text because there's some character that I want to put there. Age, date of birth. Okay, for age, let's change the number and date of birth. What do you think that we should take for date of birth? For Microsoft 365 is not 600, it's 400 something if I'm not mistaken. I did for
Oh,
my
teacher, I went to Google just now and it says that it's 600.
Wow, you know what? The first PKP
Yes.
it was 340 something. Seriously, you paid
Yes.
340 something.
Microsoft is earning a lot.
I mean, I'm talking about Microsoft 365. It was I was trying to help my student at that time. 306. Yeah, 300 something or 400 something like that. That was during the first MCO. Maybe they increased. Yes. Yes, it's ringgit at that time. But I'm talking about 365, okay? Now, now, yeah. Okay, so let's go back to our lesson here. Isa Abian. Okay, so now we have created, we have put the specification that we need in our table. What are the field that we want and what are the data type that we want if we are creating a table, okay? So this one, all these things will come out later. We will learn about this later. I need you to pay attention to this first, okay? So after this, after the class finish, these are the things that you need to do. Okay, I will create a link to the, I will create a section for this. I need you to send this, okay? Today, you have to do this. You have to do, okay? So, I'm going to change my view now. I click here first, you see the view, I click the view here and it asks, do you want to save the table now? I said, yes, I want to save the table. So when I save the table, you can see your table is there. Ta-da! Okay, your table is there. You can always resize it. Okay. Class, let's make it. Okay. So, what I want you to do, Ubay, what are the things that you don't understand? Why date of birth has date and time? Because it's date and time, they specifically do that. So we follow. If you don't want, up to you. But that's the most suitable answer. If in IGCSE you answer that, you get marks. If you don't get marks. That's all. Me, no
Teacher,
problem. Yeah?
teacher, can you do that again? I didn't quite understand.
Okay, I'm going to show you once again. Okay, I'm going to delete this. First, I will close. Okay, now I don't have anything. I'm going to delete this. delete. Okay. Should I start with opening the database first or no?
It's okay.
Okay, no, right?
If you
Okay,
want.
I'm going to do this again. Whatever it is, I will still do. Okay, this is the icon. I click. Okay, and I go to blank database.
Oh, it's in file.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay, now I have a database. Okay, I have a database. So I need to create a table. When I have a database, I want to create a table. The table that I want to create is student table. Okay, for my student, I want to keep information or data of my students. Okay, so are you all clear up to that? So please don't chat right now because this is very important. You have to pay attention. Okay, because once you are chatting about Bill Gates and all that, Bill Gates create this already. They know about this already. You don't. So pay attention to this. Yeah. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the view. Okay. There are two types of view. What we have now here is datasheet view. Datasheet view is for you to fill in the data. Okay, so now we have to design the table first. You can add here, but it's for you better to. I like it this way. Not I like it this way. This one is much more specific. It's better. Okay, I mean it's good for you to know both ways. So view, we have data view. Go to view, go to design view. Okay, so you create the name of the table first. I want to name it as student table. And I create, okay, I click okay. So now I have here, you can see table, student. Actually, there are many things you can create with database. So we go to table first, yeah? We go to table first. And then we'll fill in the field name that we want, okay? That we have planned on paper, okay? It's very important for you to plan on paper first so that you know what are the field that you need, okay? Name. Okay. Then class. Which class are you in? Address. Phone number. Date of birth. Okay. So once you have your field name, let's decide what are the type of data that you need. So address is text, class is text, phone number is text, date of birth is date and time, and we have age. Age, I want to put it as number. So once I'm done with this, okay, I'll click back the view. And they will say you must first save the table. Yeah. So do you want to save the table now? Okay, they ask, you just say yes, baby, I want to save the table. Okay. So now we have a table here. The name is student table that you have created just now. And then you can adjust the size, the field size and what. And then try to fill in. Okay. Okay, let's see. Let's try. Let's test. Okay. For student ID, it's auto number, so they will put the number for you. Okay. And then fill in at least 5 records. Okay, you fill in 5 records. AG, address, yep. Let's see how. Age, age, I'm just cheating. Okay, I'm just, this is not my real age. Who knows? Okay, so that's it. Now we go to the second row, third row, or whatsoever. Okay, so fill in. I need how many? 5 or 3? 5. Okay, 5 records. So once you have this,
So teacher,
yes,
basically you name each data and customize it to make it numbers, dates, or text, right?
yes, yes. Okay,
Okay. And you can make it bigger or smaller.
yes. And then
Okay.
fill in 5 records. Eh? We have fill and we have records. And then I save it. Okay, so that's all for today. That's all for today. The next class, we will learn something else. Okay. Okay, so I need you to do this. I need you to do this and send this. Okay. I will post this video, the recording of this lesson on Edmodo. You may refer to it. Okay. You can refer to it. Okay. Any question that you want to ask? Once you are done, save. You can close. Just close. Okay. I have lots of things here, but it's okay. So, any question that you want to ask? No, right? Okay, I'm going to end this class here. Remember what we learned today? We did create database, name the table, and the 2 types of view. Okay, 2 types of view we have in the table. And then how to fill in the records. Okay, any question?
So are we going to use it right now?
Yeah,
As they taught us this?
we have to start.
So wait, should we do the assignment you gave us on Access or on Excel?
Access.
On Access, right?
Access.
So okay, Access.
So we have to do the project again.
No, that one we will develop the project. Okay, so right now, okay, right now you have to do this. Okay, so from there later on I'll give you instruction based on the project. Do you understand?
Oh, okay. Okay.
It's an ongoing project. Okay, so any question?
No.
Okay, thank you very much. I will open the section of the work that you have to do, this one, okay, later on, and I will also post the link of this recording. And don't forget to update your attendance, yeah, in the group. Okay, thank you very much, everyone. I hope you take care of yourself and please help your mom at home. Okay, bye. See you. Assalamualaikum.
Salam. Bye.
Bye.